Alright, so what is going on, folks? It's your boy Mr. Bucket List, and I'm about to do that famous ice trick. So you see outside, it's nice and frozen. It's actually negative 11 degrees right now. Got my cups of water, about to heat it up, and let's do it. Peace out. Alright, as you all can see, got my hot cups of water. Yes, it is hot. Let's do this. Alright, one, two. Wow. And all just turned ice. That is crazy, y'all. Crazy. Alright, so this is my last final one. Got the water right here, you all can see.